Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to record the screen on Samsung Galaxy A26. To record your screen, you can swipe down from the right top part of it and now swipe down again. If you can find the screen recorder, then you can use it. If you can't find it, click on the edit button, which is this pencil icon on the top, then click on edit and you will find screen recorder somewhere in the available buttons section, and then you need to drag it into these enabled shortcuts, then click on done and click on done again. Now click on that screen recorder and you can select whether you don't want to record any sound, you want to record media or media and microphone, which I'm gonna do. Then I'm also gonna enable taps and touches in screen recording, then start it. It'll count down from 3 and now it has started recording. I can do all the stuff. I can also speak since I've enabled the microphone, and I can use that to draw something and then go back. I didn't even know that feature was available. I can also click here to turn on my front camera. I think I can't really maximize it, but yeah, this is the front camera. I can also disable it. I can pause my recording or stop it altogether, and now it's saved in the gallery. So if you go here, do all the stuff. I can also speak since I've been. You will notice that your recording is in the gallery. That's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.